who you truly are. Who you are. Know who you are with these deep questions. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Who you truly are. What does your ideal day look like? What did you want to be when you were younger? Who are you most inspired by and why? Who would you love to meet? What would you ask? What habit would you most like to break? What habit would you most like to start? Think of a person you truly admire. What qualities do you about that person? How do you like to relax? When was the last time you did something you were afraid of? What are you most proud of? What are you most afraid of? If imagine, just imagine if life stopped today, what would you regret not doing? Who would you like to connect or reconnect with, and why? What qualities do you admire in others? What practical skills do you wish you had? Okay, ask yourself these deep questions. Dear Unique, thanks for watching. Write a comment for me. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Always remember, there is only one you. Okay? Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever and beyond. Ashe. Bye.